your guys' video. Here's your guys' video finally. We're here. Actually, you've been here, but that's I couldn't film. So, we're filming. So, take this. Let's go.
Best female first. Best
Go.
female exotic first. We'll go ahead and go with that. Where you from?
I'm filming that.
Daniel, how y'all give it up for my guy right here?
This is the girl that won.
Y'all give it up for Maverick.
Here's Sassy Girl.
Y'all gotta be one more. Y'all gotta get it up. Let's go. We're gonna go. Y'all give it up for my guy.
Baby.
Y'all give it up for the street tribe.
And just we don't scam bullies,
Give
man.
it up for
We don't scam.
Yeah, get with me, dude. I'm with it.
I'm filming.
That boy nice.
Dad, I'm filming.
All right, cash cow. Capital
Look
City.
what we have.
Okay.
Dad, look what we have.
He from the hood. He good.
We got one of those trophies. Come on, baby. I gotta bring this girl back. Come on, guys. I gotta bring this girl back to the car. Hey, come on. I'm editing. Oh my God, there's dog food right there. People need to pick up their dog stuff. Okay, the video is gonna be down black. Come on. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. We got Sassy back in. Sassy back in. Oh my God. Okay, guys, back to one. Go back. You guys ready? Ready for the YouTube video? Cause I am. Let me see French fry. I'm filming. Hi, French fry. You guys want one of these? You guys want? It looks like my dog Nico again. Does it look like Nico? It's Nico. I love Nico. He's the famous icon. Dad, we need to win one of
You're
those.
supposed to be fucking watching, bub. You let us miss the
I'm filming.
baddest female.
I'm filming.
You film that.
Meanest mug. Best feet on deck. Best feet on deck. Meanest mug and best feet. You know, get out of here. Get out of here.
You gotta stand over there.
Hey. There you go. Meanest mug, meanest mug. Meanest mug. Y'all good to go.
Let's go. Come on, baby.
Tightest feet, exotic on deck. Tightest feet, exotics on deck. There he goes. There he goes. Hey, congratulations. Hardest dog. Hardest dog on this side. Tightest feet gonna be on this side. Hardest dog on this side. Hardest exotic in the building. Hardest exotic. Male or female. Hardest exotic. Whatever you got, it better be hard.
Come on, baby.
Maybe not no fool. then we got Titus feet soon as they get done with this. This mug.
Yeah, bro.
This is gonna be the smug. Titus feet. It's Titus feet on this side.
He made those. He said, I thought you made me some motherfucker.
Titus feet. Titus feet.
Excuse me.
There we go. Titus feet on this side. Hey, dude. After that, we got our people's choice. Our people's choice. This is hardest dog. We got it. Stay awake.
She can do this. What trophy is it for?
Hardest exotic.
When can you get those ones? The big ones. When can we get those big ones? Why are we only getting the second place? How
He
come we're only
said,
getting the
watch
second
him
place?
work, watch him work. I need them two together.
Your daddy picked you.
Two together.
We don't scam, bullies. We don't scam.
Hardest, exotic, and holy. Hardest, exotic. A lot of nice dogs, a lot of nice dogs.
You're in the finals?
Hardest, exotic.
Come on, baby. And those are the trophies. I'm live. Baby, come on. You can do this. Come on, baby. Baby, baby.
There we go, there we go. Side stack, side stack.
She's so tiny, so cute. She's like 5.5. I gotta go get food. I'm tripping. Ben.
dogs.
Hard choice. Hey, hard choice between this. It's really whatever your cup of tea is.
I don't know. What's the one on the right side?
I'm not sure. I just know it's a beef. I know it's beef Versace blood versus Crown blood. So historical blood. What's that female's? What's that dog's name? Or what's that male's name?
Male?
That's a male too. Both of them males.
No, ain't it?
I like. One knuckling. Can't go wrong, can't go wrong. There you go, either way. Tough decision. Tough decision.
Dad. Dad, film me.
Tough decision. Tough decision. Alright.
Okay.
Now, what else we got? We got People's Choice Exotics. People's Choice.
I'm
If you're
doing
turning
it.
up for People's Choice Exotics, bring your exotic to the ring.
Want a stack of
People's Choice Exotic.
No, I want a stacker. I want a stacker.
If not, we will skip it.
High stacker next.
But no, I say you got a winner, unlimited. I know there's some unlimited. There's YK standing up. I better hear about finest bully. Game bred exotic now. Junior, you want that? Best junior hair he's ever seen. Hey, People's Choice. People's Choice. I only got two. Is it three? Are you in there? Alright, we got four. Come on. People's Choice on this side. We got some all breeds. Do we got all breed people here? Right now we're in the People's Choice.
Whoa.
Alright, DJ.
Come on, baby.
DJ, let me get that music so we get this People's Choice.
Make sure y'all
He said game bred. DJ. DJ, cut that music.
Baby.
DJ. Alright, tell me who you are and where you from. Yeah, I can't understand this.
Hey, don't be whistling at me.
I mean, hey, now I got game bred. YK in the building with haters. Hey, said, y'all give it up for Lava Pit Bullies. Chico.
I do it.
Damn dog too big. All right, okay. That was a little louder. Y'all give it up for my guy Marshmallow. Yeah, ain't no introduction for this guy in Ohio. Y'all give it up for Grand Champion Slurricane. All right. So honestly, I think we're gonna run it back. Y'all give it up for my dude in the front. Hey! Y'all better give it up for my guy YK and his boy. Y'all give it up for Baby. Y'all give it for Lava Pit Bullies. Give it up for the damn dogs. Alright, you two better bring it. Alright, y'all give it for my guy Marshmallow. Sorry. Alright,
Let's
last
go.
but not least, y'all give it up for Grand Champion Slurricane. Alright, easy win, them damn dogs. Them damn dogs take it. Off on that side. DJ, hit my music, please.
Man, which one we got?
Tightest feet this way. If you're on the Frenchie, you better give it up. Go to this side. Tight weight. $500 Frenchie stack off. On this side. Get your Frenchies.
Go
500.
get Bello.
Bello! Bello! I'm looking all over for him. No.
There he goes. Out of my guy's pocket. Right there.
He's here now. Yeah, baby. Get that.
Tightest feet. Tightest
Hey,
feet.
brother. Fix his back leg. He's leaning on it. There you go.
Yeah. I'm filming.
Hey, she got some speed over there. Hey,
I ain't gonna lie. I got them to them dogs. Them dogs' feet's really nice. He looks good. He looks smallest over a year. Smallest over a year on this side. All breeds.
not her,
Smallest
bub.
over a year.
Over a year.
Bosses. Oh, I got it. I'm sorry.
We got that all breeds $1,000 stack off.
I said sorry after.